everyone, welcome to my nookery, and hope all is well. So today what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be taking part in how many crochet chains can I do in a minute, which is hashtag crochet chain challenge. So for this I am going to be using my Clover 5mm hook, and I'm using Deramore's anti-pilling Aran in Persian blue, and this is a 4-weight. So, and I've got Rick. Say hello, Rick.
Hi everybody.
So Rick is going to time me, guys. So I'm going to just move you down a little bit, just a little bit, so you can see me crocheting. And there's my little note, so I didn't forget what I was doing. So shall we get it done, guys? So I'll do
I'm timing on my iPhone with the timer countdown.
So guys,
are we ready?
Are we ready, guys? Let's see. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, whoops, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75.
That's it.
75.
75.
75, guys. Wow. I surprised myself then. So guys, I've watched Bailey, I've watched Spring, and I watched Ola Jo, and Ola Jo, nobody had tagged me, and Ola Jo said she would tag me, so thank you. So who am I going to tag into this challenge? Well, I am going to tag Ursula from OM Granny Square. I'm going to tag V from Steals the Show Crochet and More, and of course our Jeannie from Butterfly Dreams Crochet and More. So hopefully, and guys, if you've not been tagged and you want to take part, then please do, and don't forget to put the hashtag crochet chain challenge, and good luck everybody. Bye for now.
Bye bye.